Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. This will be just a brief update because nothing really new has happened here. The butterfly patterns that we are expecting to see here with the different targets of 61.20 on daily chart is 58 even, so they are still valid. So you could also find a lot of different patterns here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this also could be kind of the A, B, C top pattern to the downside. You could calculate the COP, OP targets. Here I would like to talk briefly on the situation that we have in the current moment. So if you remember, we said that this will be last major fib level for the market, and if it will be broken, it will mean that the downward direction probably will continue and market will try to take it out of these lows. So this level indeed has been broken. As you can see, market strongly penetrated multiple times, and right now it stands below it. So 618 fib support area is not valid anymore here, and we probably could erase it. Now market is forming a kind of widening triangle around this 618 support, and usually widening triangle could become the downward continuation when it forms after significant drop. Usually it breaks as follows. So market shows the pullback up from the lower border of the triangle but can't reach the opposite border, turns down and shows downside acceleration. This scenario could create very good opportunity for taking the short position if market will form inside the triangle some bearish continuation pattern. Usually most common pattern that could be formed is the guideless triple to sell. So here market could form a kind of the ABC reaction up to some fib support, fib resistance maybe, so this could become, for example, I don't know, maybe this will be 618 resistance, just for example. So maybe it will be kind of this pattern could be formed. But you should just keep an eye on this development, calculate this A, B, C bottom, D pattern. This will be formed here. Any shape of the guideless triple 2 will be welcome here. And as soon as the pattern will be formed here, it could be some attempt to go short could be taken with the stops against this top. So as market indeed bearish, it should continue move lower to fail. It should fail to reach the opposite border of the widening triangle and just starting downward continuation. That's the scenario that we could watch for in Bitcoin right now, because how much legs we have inside the triangle in first, second, third, fourth, fifth candles. So yes, almost 5 waves inside of the triangle has happened. So market is near to exit, to abandon this consolidation, and this is one of the patterns that we could keep an eye on. So all other stuff that we've talked on the daily chart, on the weekly, on the 4-hour time frame chart is still valid, and some larger patterns could be formed. But this is just the short-term scenario that really could be formed within the 1-2 sessions here.